All right, y'all, so here we are doing our Subaru Outback 2.5 liter engine head gasket removal and replacing it. See there, we got the new head gasket on. Over here we got a clean and ready to install head with new stud bolts. I was gonna try to figure out how to maybe video a little bit. We got one side already done, installed, new head gasket. So I'm just gonna continue on our process of trying to get this thing done here. So I'm gonna set you down for a minute, install this new cleaned head with the new head bolts. This is something that I've been dreading to do on the car. I found it to be a lot simpler than what I originally thought it would be. So, you know, if y'all got a little bit of mechanical knowledge, the hardest part about these is your cam timing, so that's something we're gonna tackle later. Get these things torqued down to spec and continue on.